Hi, and welcome to another episode of Type with me. In this episode, we will see how we can use tuples to fix an issue or a problem that we sometimes can face, right? Let me show you what and how tuples work. Imagine we have the following code. We have a method create sentence where we have an array of strings and we do a join on that array so we get our sentence, right? Now when we build this code, and we execute this, we get yes we can. So imagine that now your boss comes in and he says that he also needs to have the length of the sentence. Well, we can solve this with, indeed, tuples. So let's fix this with tuples. So now we say that we want to return a tuple of string and number. And of course here we need to return our tuple of result, result, not length. And then here we do a console.log of our first item, and then we will do a console.log of our second item. So now we can build this. And now we can execute this. So now we have yes we can as a string or a sentence, and we have the length of 10. So yes we can has 10 characters. Great. So this is a great use case of tuples. I hope you learned how to use tuples for a certain problem like this, and I hope you can use this in your projects. Thank you for watching.